So this is 109 Kentucky. This is the building that I absolutely adore and very honored to be able to lease to a reliable tenant. It's 109 Kentucky. It's in the heart of Petaluma. It used to be the Leaders Building. So this is actually a historical building. Our client purchased it and renovated it. So I'm going to give you a little tour inside, and I'm with the Magic Man Mike, and he's going to give us a tour. Builders, we are going to do a tour today. I'm going to have the man himself give us a tour. He's going to let you know what the tour is about and how to give him. So this is a perfect example. Stay along. Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome to 109 Kentucky here in beautiful Petaluma. Welcome to this wonderful 19,000 square foot listing. This was a former department store named Carruthers. As you can see, this is probably the place where they would have Christmas trees, something like that. 25-foot ceilings. As you can see, the sleigh windows. So for your business, this would make an excellent office or retail, of course. It is rather big for a retail store in Petaluma. 19,000 people is large. However, things are opening up and people are starting to look and have an interest in this building. Our client redid everything. As you can see, new sprinkler system, life safety, fresh restrooms, brand new HVAC, and it's ready to go. So for anyone who wants to live the dream in downtown Petaluma, like everybody should, this is the place to do it.
All right, Michael, you're going to show us around?
I can't show you the restrooms, unfortunately. They are locked.
And they're pretty cool.
Any teenagers from potentially utilizing it as a party palace.
And it does have a lift that goes to all 3 floors. How many floors are here?
There's 3 floors. The building itself is what's referred to as streamlined modern, built in 1940. And used to be the largest retail building in Sonoma County. So you can almost feel people shopping in here right now.
Normally would have the lights on, but
Oh, you can see the natural light in here is very good.
the natural light in here is wonderful. New hardwood floors, brick, view from the 2nd floor. You can imagine what it would be like shopping here and looking out, seeing your kid running around there. Wonderful. And how many square feet is this floor here?
This floor, I believe, is 3,800 square feet. As you can see, it's a partial floor. The footprint of the building, if I remember, is around 9,000 square feet. There is an attic space here too, but it just has mechanical equipment in it.
Now we're entering the 3rd floor. Look how gorgeous and expansive. Someone must have to go use a loo. That one's open there then?
There is one, and that one is open for some reason. So
For your using pleasure, obviously.
This is actually an interesting feature of this building. This brick wall goes all the way down. Why it's here, I don't know, but as you can see, that seismic retrofit is that. It goes all the way around.
Can you explain what a seismic retrofit is?
Well, because we have these earthquakes in California. And so a number of years ago, the state required folks to seismically retrofit their building. So what they would do is often infill windows. As you can see, there was windows here before, right? Going all the way down. And if you look at an old plan from the city like I have, you can see that these were much larger windows and they had a loading door on the ground floor too. But I haven't been able to figure out why this one wall is brick and the rest of the building is concrete. So, as you can see, the views are fairly nice from up here, right?